want to admit it. You just do not seem to get it. Argue and debate as we move closer to our fate. What good is all that money if you ain't got a world to live in? What good is all that power if your children are always fearing? No. Hey mister, you know what you really lying to is yourself. No. Hey trickster, you know what you really fooling now is yourself. No. Hey sister, you know what you really talking about is yourself. No. Hey brother, you know what you really hurting now is yourself. No. Brutal, strong on politics like barbarians, breaking bones with sticks, delivering your imperial agenda. And what is sent shall be sent back to the sender. Didn't your mama tell you about the golden rule? Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. You've been fighting fire with fire, now some water is required. Hey mister, you know what you really lying to is yourself. No. Hey trickster, you know what you really putting now is yourself. No. Hey sister, you know what you really talking about is yourself. No. Hey brother, you know what you really hurting now is yourself. No. What you doing with it? That thing that you got. What you doing with it? That thing that you got. What you doing with it? That thing that you got. What you doing with it? That thing that you got. What you doing with it? That thing that you got. What you doing with it? That thing that you got. If breath is that of life and words that of breath, why do you speak those things that starve your soul to death? You're not a very good pretender, laying blame when you're the offender, laughing at your sister cause she stepped in shit, when there you are, you're swimming in a pool of it. You've been fighting fire with fire, now some water is required, yeah. Hey mister, you know what you really lying to is yourself. No. Hey trickster, you know what you really putting now is yourself. No. Hey sister, you know what you really talking about is yourself. No. Hey brother, you know what you really hurting now is yourself. No. Hey mister, you know what you really lying to is yourself.